A video game from OSHA? What is it? Grand Theft Forklift? Hello, I'm Dan Clark of the Safety Brief. This is where we talk about health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites. Seriously, OSHA has a gaming tool to increase safety. When I first heard of this, I thought, what could it be? Legend of Zelda Scaffolding Princess? Or Halo 6 Lockout Tagout? OSHA realized making hazard identification easy to understand can be a challenge. So can engaging employees in training. So they created a new hazard identification training tool that tackles both problems by making hazard identification interactive. Oh, did I say it's free? It is. There are 3 game scenarios, and you can play each multiple times because the game has many randomized hazard identification combinations. These are the choices. Scenario 1, OSHA Visual Inspection Training. You have a choice of challenges: a mixer, a saw, fall protection, or scaffolding. You inspect each item from all angles and ask the in-game cyber employees questions. Scenario 2, manufacturing. You're given a bird's eye view of a work location. You can pick from one of 2 modes, business owner or worker. Business owners can pinch pennies and skimp on safety or spend enough to fix safety problems. When an accident occurs, the company loses money. This shows how safety relates to the bottom line. Workers identify hazards as part of the company's safety committee. They ask employees questions, inspect equipment, observe processes, and even look at safety data sheets. Scenario 3, construction. You oversee 3 phases of a construction job, building a retail center. All 3 scenarios get you accustomed to hazard identification. Are machine guards ready to rock? Is your crew wearing proper eye and hand protection? Is somebody walking in front of that truck while playing a handheld video game? Well, maybe not that one. OSHA's hazard identification training tool is free, and a link is on our website at thesafetybrief.com. Try it out. That's all for this episode on game-based hazard identification from OSHA. Come back for more tips and techniques on how to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of the Safety Brief, sponsored by Creative Safety Supply. See the website at creativesafetysupply.com.